Hello, welcome back. In this video we're gonna discuss and see how to build the designed RPA automation. So this is the third video after we complete the evaluation design. Now we will look at RPA Builder. RPA Builder is an application that's running locally on my Windows machine or the VDI, which has Windows OS running on top of it. So here you need to sign into the RPA Builder. To sign into the RPA Builder, you would need RPA manager address. So how to get that? Again, go back to the RPA manager, and on the top you have the host name. So copy that and paste it here, and make sure you don't have the HTTPS protocol in the beginning and also no slash at the end. And in the proxy settings, these are all the options available, but right now I'm not configuring any of that. Just click continue, and here is the place where it will ask for the username and password. So username and password is again the same username and password that you would be required to log in to your Anypoint platform. So I'm just putting in the same username and password which I have used for my Anypoint platform website. So click on sign in. Now this is authenticating the RPA Builder, and these are in connection with the RPA manager, which is running on the Anypoint platform over the cloud, and also the desktop version. Now this is the landing page, and this is how it looks. And there is a video here that you can look on what you can do to develop RPA, right? So just be here, and on the top you have this button which is upload, right? Once you save, you can upload the changes, and here this is called a project explorer. So in the project explorer there are few other options here, which is project explorer, package explorer, active library explorer, and others. And these are all in the studio, Anypoint studio, they are all drag and drop, and you can also readjust the size and location of this each taskbars. So here is a refresh whenever something changes, and you would like to sync with the repository code repo. Then this is a place where you can refresh the process. And on the other side you have this icon. This is the place where you can connect to lot of components. So there are document processing that you can use, and Excel operations, read from Excel, write to Excel, and file operations, and lot of operations inside file, again copy, create, delete. And also there are flow controls that you can use during in your automation, folder options, and some general operations like exit workflow, pattern gallery, and STC protector, and also mail operations. And this is a new one here which is called MuleSoft IDP, and you can also integrate with that. And a lot of options that you can also do the REST call, ping, and service check. When it comes to network, these are some of the commonly used components. And there are variables that you can use, and web automation tools. So these are all lot of tools that are present inside in this RPA Builder. Since we are building the automation, there are a lot of tools and options available for you to integrate and take advantage of. This is a huge list that is present in app automation. So we're gonna look and feel how to do this very soon in the next video. Thank you.